Hi guys, Luca back again from Sabre Airsoft here, and we have again the WE Big Bird, which I recently found out thanks to one of you commenters. This is based on the S&P Smith & Wesson M&P 9. Anyway, the good news is new nozzle has arrived. Even better news, the new nozzle comes with the rocket valve pre-installed, which is going to save us a lot of headaches. So today we're going to find out if I was right that the cracked nozzle was the cause of this failing, and also find out if I got the right nozzle, as there is a full auto version of this, which would normally be controlled here. That is not this one, so let's find out. So once again, slide back, pull down the little lever here, slide off, then recoil spring out and guide rod. Oh yeah, this one's pull this out that way. I think we need to give this a full clean as well today. Yeah, that barrel's still a bit gunky. Next is a little Phillips head screw, just in there. That holds not only the nozzle in place, but also the upper sight. The rear sight, not upper. There we go. Out that comes. Should just be able to lift that away. Then recoil spring, which I'm going to use the magnet to get out again, because that is a really handy little thing to use. And we pull this one out. Now we'll do a quick comparison. That appears to be the exact same nozzle. Yep, looks to be the same. So cracked one can go bye-bye, we don't need that anymore. Then this one is going to go in here with the arrow. There's a kind of arrow protrusion here pointing away, so on the right hand side of the gun. I'm going to lever it in, so we need to get this. There's a tab just here. That's what we need to get into this channel here for the nozzle return spring, so we're just going to leave that in. Nice and easy. Actually, whilst we've got this out, let's give the piston head a bit of a grease. Save us pulling it out again, using some Jaeger 1 grease. I officially endorse this as a good grease. And I may stock some on my website soon. I have not decided yet, as I am just starting out, so capital is a little bit thin. So if you'd be happy, want to see this stocked on the website, let me know and I'll get in contact with James, see what can be arranged. And it is also freshest flu season, so apologies if I'm a bit sniffy. So that goes on like so. Yep, nice and smooth. See if we can get an air seal, which is a pointless test, I might add. Right, recoil spring. Sorry, nozzle return spring. That goes in there, just so. Then we're going to pop this on upside down, as it is the easiest way to put it on there. There we go. Pop the rear sight on, flip it over, screw it back in. See how quick and easy this is, guys? Dead easy. Pistols are definitely among the easier things to work on. Before I give this all a full clean and maintenance, we will give it a quick test. If I'm right, it should now shoot perfectly fine. With the recoil spring, just make sure that this small notch here goes into the matching hole on the hop up. There we go. Nope, that didn't go in. Nope, failed again and again. It is cold and my fingers are not working. There we go. Nope, that's still not right. Why aren't you doing what you're supposed to? There we go. Now it's in there. Right. That took a disgustingly long time. On, back, slide. Done. Has any of these got gas? No. 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 Okay, let's try with the propane adapter. I've not been having much joy with this. I'm not quite sure why. Still trying to figure that out. I can hear it, but it's not flowing properly. There's a tiny bit of gas in there, and we'll soon know. Lock back. How about that? Not much gas in there, as I say. So we'll put the propane away for now and just do a bit of V6. We'll also give it a quick chrono. See how it's shooting. I expect probably about 0.8 joules, if I had to guess. The mags don't have a huge gas well. Let's go 2.5s. I reckon 2.5s. Just get a couple. Whoop. Come on. My fingers are just not working today. Yeah, that'll do. There's a couple in there. Chrono. Chrono. Set that to 2.5s. There we go. Let's see how she does. So as high of 0.77, I think it was. There we go. So you see, so it's about what I expect. It's shooting absolutely fine. Oop. Get rid of those, get rid of that. Now we'll give it a quick clean, degrease and regrease. I'm gonna say it feels nice to shoot. I do quite like it. In the hand, it feels really ergonomic. So I guess kudos to Smith & Wesson for that. We'll just give this first a clean with our dirty rag. Trusty dirty rag. Just get rid of all the worst of the whatever grease or whatever oil has been put on this. See, it's certainly seen some use, this, which isn't necessarily a bad thing. That's that one. Pull the hop up out. Do we want to try and remove it completely? Yes, we do, apparently. Okay. Let's check the function of that. How do you adjust this hopper? Ah, there we go. There's a little tiny dial there. Let's see if that's still adjustable and functioning. Oh. Is it? Or isn't it? Oh, it's very stiff, but it is adjustable. There we go. Now it's moving. I think it just hadn't been moved in a very, very long time. Okay, that's fine. Barrel clean, that's what we're doing. Oh, didn't mean to hit the camera. I'm sure James at Jaeger Precision will be looking at my desk right now and saying Team Chaotic Desk. But I don't care, because I just like it when his desk is clean. My desk is my desk. Okay. Ooh boy, yeah, that's pretty full of crap. Yeah, that's better. It does look better now. Put that back. Okay, right. I can see. I feel like there's supposed to be something there, maybe. Wait, maybe not. No, that's just so that it tilts the barrel up after each shot. Cool, grease. That's what I wanted. I can see a contact point there, where there's obviously been quite a fair bit of wear, so I'm just going to give it a little tiny coat there, a little tiny bit there, a little tiny bit on the side. Just wherever I see there's been some wear, likely from use. There we go. Cool. That's that. Ooh, throwing everything everywhere. Go and go back in. Then I'm just gonna give it a bit of a coating along the bottom here. As always, you don't need much. You don't need to slather it in, so there's absolute loads. You just need a thin coating, which under the right light genuinely looks like you're putting loads on, but I'm not, trust me. A really interesting recent debate among some of the guys that I've been having with Cardiff Uni, where some of them insist, some of the newer guys insist that you should use silicone oil, which if push comes to shove and silicone oil is all you have, it's better to have something than nothing. That doesn't mean that you should go out of your way to use silicone oil, especially like the Abbey gun oil, and mainly because it's such a rip-off. This grease pen has, I'm bear in mind that I'm doing a lot of pistols and guns and using this. This grease pen has lasted me 2 months. This pen, which cost me a tenner. If I was using oil, I'd probably end up using considerably more, and it would cost me more. And all because they slapped the word Airsoft on it. Right? It's a complete, absolute rip-off, all of it. Let's just get that more clean and then give it some more grease. To grease the recoil springs like this, where the spring is captured, I usually retract the spring as much as I can, compress it, and then just give the rest of the shaft a bit of a coating. I'm sure there's a joke in there somewhere. Keep it to yourself. Or don't. I don't really care. I'm not the fun police. I'm going to do the same on this side. There we go. Right. See if we get this in first time this time, huh? Spoiler alert, I won't. There we go. Did it first time. See, told you I would. Where's the faith, guys? Alright, lower. Again, main contact areas. Seems to favour leaning to one side, judging by this wear, which is interesting. I wonder if that's more because of a right-handed person cocking it. So pushing the slide to one side, applying more pressure. Probably. Am I looking into it too much? Absolutely. So sue me is all I'll say. Cool. There we go. And then that is another successfully fixed boneyard pistol. That is very, very satisfying. What I like about it is it's got this it's got a trigger safety, but it's built into the trigger. So if you look here, you see the split? So it actually acts as a safety there, which if you're holding it correctly, you won't even notice. But it just, this extra, like really, really exaggerated curve of a trigger, I really like that. It just feels good. And let's be honest, half of this sport is making yourself feel good. Cool, there you go. Right, that's another one fixed. Catch you on the next one.